Silkn is a sophisticated personal hair removal device that employs the new and advanced Home Pulsed Light Technology, HPL. Home Pulsed Light Technology of Silkn is a further development of light-based hair removal for safe and effective removal of unwanted hair at home. The pulse of light emitted by Silkn is absorbed by pigment in the hair shaft beneath the skin surface. This disables the hair follicle activity and delays hair growth. The result: long-term removal of unwanted hair.
When I was initially exposed to the Silkn, the Home Pulse Light hair removal system, I was naturally skeptical. After 11 years of high power, in-office, high fluence lasers spanning rubies, alexandrites, diodes, diode RF, and IPL, I certainly was skeptical that a small device used in the home could deliver any kind of permanent reduction for a client's hair.
Users of Silkn can achieve desirable results within just a few treatment sessions. After each treatment, the hair is markedly finer and it grows back more slowly. The patients who were included in our initial studies were most impressed with the fact that their hair had been reduced significantly.
To date, in my clinical practice in Toronto, we have treated well over 150 patients with the Silkn. The Silkn Home Pulse Light device has been used in the home for well over 6 months. A lot of these patients had done multiple treatments, and we've analyzed their hair count. And in our initial study of hair count, I was really quite amazed to see that after 5 treatments, clients would achieve between 40 and 60% reduction of their hair. This compares extremely favorable to any laser-based system, whether it's 694.5, 755, 810, or 1064, and certainly compares favorably with any light, an RF-based system or intense pulse light.
The Silkn device can reduce hair by at least 50% after a series of 3 monthly treatments. I found that the Silkn works every bit as well as many of the lasers and light sources that we apply in the office setting.
Silkn consists of a base unit and a handheld applicator. The applicator holds a pulse button for triggering light pulses and a disposable lamp cartridge that must be replaced from time to time. On the base unit control panel is a switch that turns Silkn on and off, and buttons to set its energy level. You'll also see a ready indicator light that tells you when Silkn is ready to deliver a light pulse, a switch for turning Silkn's audio indicators on and off, and indicator lights that tell you when the disposable lamp cartridge has reached 90 or 100% of its useful life.
The most important issues for me as a professional who would prescribe this device is not only the efficacy of the treatment, but certainly applying a device that is safe and easy to use.
The spring mechanism allows the cartridge to retract when pressed firmly to the skin. This built-in safety feature ensures that light pulses are emitted only when the applicator tip is facing the skin. Only then will the pulse button trigger a light pulse. For further safety, the optical lens through which a pulse of light is delivered is recessed inside the applicator tip to avoid direct contact with your skin.
The people who have used laser in a home setting find that it's very easy to use and that the safety margin is the same as what we can get in the office setting using a professional to apply the device.